city. Hit me up if it's my boy.
They hit our line when we thumbing it.
Send it in next time.
Call me a big at the crib.
What is up, guys? So today we're gonna be at Street Kings. Yeah, TRC Street Kings, I think it's called. We just made it out here. It's freaking hot, but car's running a little funny. Here's the car. Got it all ready. Little line up. Got a nice little V with twins. Jesus Christ. Better get gas. So we're waiting for the road racing to stop right now and finish up so we can start, they can start the drag racing. But this was our little setup for the track. We got the Hellcat. So I'm running the heavyweight class. Basically cars 4,400 and up are in that class. I don't think there's a power limit or nothing. It's just if you weigh more than 44 or weigh 4,400 pounds, then you're in. So that's the one we're at. This is my first time at an actual event, so I'm kind of nervous. We'll see how I do. We'll see. They're about to have the drivers meet. Pretty excited.
Last call for motorcycles, guys. It's your time to shine.
DCT 4, heavyweight 5. 950 seats, 1050 is 2, and 1150 is 1. You guys got it? All right. 1050. Yes. Yep. That is the run order. Run what you run. Streetcar shootout, stick shift, all-wheel drive, DCT, heavyweight, 9, 10, and 11. Right? That is the run order. With our index racing, first round is random pairings. Second round, you're going on to a sportsman tree. A sportsman ladder. Got it? All the racing, all the other racing is quarter mile, heads up, pro tree, courtesy staging, no deep staging. Old school's like, what type of bullshit is that? All right. Any questions? 2 qualifying passes. 2. You guys got it? Any other questions?
Alright guys, we're about to stage and go to qualifying. So we're gonna see right now if the car's gonna work, if it's gonna decide to work, or it's gonna decide to take a shit. good fucking run.
And Jeff Mays, right lane, the 15 model Mustang out of Coastal Dino. Your number 16 qualifier over there, 936. Whole shot for the Supra.
Alrighty guys, going into eliminations right now. Number 1 qualifying, so I think we got this. I don't know. There's only freaking 4 cars in my class, and the only one that looks to be fast is a twin turbo Cts-V, but it's running 9th, so we should be good.
Fire the right.
So of course, right when we get to the staging lanes, it wants to throw out the water.
Here comes the tree.
We just filled it up with water. It's overheating right now.
Let's see if I got the voice to do it.
Is that who you're up against? I think so.
Yeah. I tried to do my at my birthday and it didn't work. My voice was broken.
Maybe you should start it back up. Yeah, I think so. Hold on.
So I want to thank each and every one of y'all for hanging out with us. We've got a decent little crowd here. And Mark Cyrus Jr.
He tell you I was with you.
Ballers, West Virginia.
Whatever I do, don't take it.
Start
it up, babe.
The left side of the track. Kevin Stowe in the rocket ship. Number 2 qualifier, 757 with a 490. And I just can't get over how hard this thing hits the back tire. It like folds itself over itself.
Yeah. Yeah.
Top off.
We're good now. Oh, fuck, dude. That was a big ass bubble, buddy. Holy shit.
Yes.
Dude, the temps literally got to 212. It had a big ass air bubble in the system. So we went ahead and fucking tried to take it out.
Stop and patiently wait for our crew to come down there and make sure he's not leaking. And I don't think she's going to fire back up and pull off the track. Just saying it's all. That's all I'm saying it's all.
Holy crap, man. So basically, yeah. Basically what happened was the system caught a air bubble. So
Had a massive air pocket.
yeah, fucking had a massive air pocket and started overheating.
But when you're in your
Bro, and we're literally like, we're next.
when you're in your
So the pressure was on. Oh my god.
This is definitely a exotic. 95.
So this is the other car that I'm up against. It's a twin turbo caddy. Alright, qualifying, eliminations round 1. That's gay, bro. That's fucking gay.
Yeah. Yeah, hold on. Jump in the next one.
That's it for today's video. Going home sad. Oh well.